So if you clicked on this video, I'm willing to bet that you're at least a little curious about Volt Grooming. At least a little bit. Otherwise, why would you want to know about all the new offerings that Volt is proud to announce in this video? From beard wash to aftershave to shampoo to body wash and more, we have just released a variety of really cool, really awesome new products with some different features that you might not be used to in the men's grooming space. And like pretty much every product here at Volt, all of which are targeted at saving the environment and reducing waste, as well as saving you guys money in the meantime, but we're gonna get into that. So in this little Volt video, we're going to be talking about all the new products that Volt has just released this past week, as well as an overview of their features, what makes them unique, and why you should care when it comes to saving money and the environment alike. So all in all, Volt has released 7 new product offerings to our lineup. There's a beard wash, there's a shampoo, there's a body wash, there's an aftershave, there's a shave gel, there is a Volt GoPack, which is like a dock kit toiletry bag, and there are the Volt Eco refill packs. As a men's grooming company that has typically been associated with beards, let's start with the beard wash real quick. The beard wash was a no-brainer to introduce to our product line. Like I said before, we have offered a lot of beard products, beard oil, beard balm, beard color, things like that. So adding a beard wash was kind of a natural part of the process. However, what we wanted in our beard wash was very different than a lot of other brands out there. We wanted something that was still very natural, sulfate-free, however, combined with caffeine to really amp up your morning routine. Combine all of that with argan oil and shea butter to help reduce the dryness in your skin that typical beard washes and shampoos and things like that are known for. And overall, what you get is a natural, awesome beard wash that wakes you up in the morning and keeps your beard feeling and smelling fresh all day long. Now here's where we get to the really cool part about pretty much all of these new products, almost all of them. They are packaged in high-grade refillable aluminum bottles. As you can see, this stuff is not plastic. I don't know if you can hear that, but let me get closer. Here's the point. These bottles allow you to refill your single bottle of shampoo, beard wash, whatever, every time you run out of it, which means you don't have to throw away a whole plastic bottle anymore. You can just buy a refill pack of whatever Volt product you need and get up to like 3 full bottle refills, which saves you money over time and saves the environment with this aluminum pouch design. This is a lot less wasteful and a lot less harmful to the environment because you can recycle aluminum more than plastic, and you can refill your bottle so you're not having to throw this whole thing away. And we have these refills for our beard wash, our body wash, our shampoo, and our clear shave, which we're going to talk about next. So now let's talk about our shampoo. So much like our beard wash, Volt's shampoo is packaged again in a large aluminum bottle. Like our beard wash, it's sulfate free, it's easy on the skin, and it's combined with a lot of natural ingredients. For example, panthenol helps prevent breakage in your hair. Combine this with things like moringa oil, which is rich in antioxidants and helps moisturize your hair and skin. Overall, what we wanted is a shampoo that doesn't make your hair feel too dry at the end of the day, all while smelling awesome, being good for the environment, and overall being good for your wallet too. Now, most of these products will come in a larger bottle, one like these for the body wash and the shampoo, or a smaller bottle like this if you happen to be traveling a lot. But we're going to talk more about this when we get to the dock kit or the Volt GoPack, like I mentioned earlier. Our shampoo comes in our signature Outback scent, which is a combination of like sandalwood, musk, and floral notes. Now let's talk about our body wash. Volt's body wash was essentially created for one reason, and that is to get rid of the bar soap dryness that is so typical with, you guessed it, bar soaps. A high quality body wash is going to prevent the skin from getting too dry, much like a bar soap tends to do. Dry skin is easier to damage and more prone to premature aging. So Volt's body wash is a combination of natural ingredients that is meant to cleanse and energize your body. Now you may be saying something like, well duh, every body wash is meant to cleanse and energize your body, but we go about it a little differently. Just like our beard wash, Volt's body wash contains caffeine, which not only helps stave off that really tired feeling that you get early in the morning or something, but also helps promote skin circulation and has antioxidant properties. Now our body wash also contains aloe to help prevent that excess dryness that a lot of other body washes and bar soaps and things tend to give you. And this again is packaged in our signature refillable aluminum bottle. And this one doesn't come in the Outback scent, but it comes in the Drift scent. Drift is like a combination of a day at the beach mixed with sea salt and that kind of thing. A very fresh scent. And our body wash again comes in a travel size bottle. Now let's talk about something I'm pretty excited about, which is Volt's Volt's AfterShave. AfterShave isn't as popular now as it has once been, but we think it should be making a comeback due to its legitimate benefits for skin health, as well as that kind of classic tingle and burn that it gives you that makes it so characteristic and satisfying to you. After all, Volt's AfterShave is no slouch when it comes to healing and giving you that satisfyingly clean aftershave feeling. And here's why. Volt's AfterShave is an alcohol-based liquid that's designed to soothe and help heal cuts and burns that may come from your razor. It's got a dose of menthol, witch hazel, and cucumber extract in it, all of which have different properties. That menthol provides an ice-cold cooling sensation when you apply it. Now, the witch hazel helps reduce inflammation and irritation, and the cucumber extract actually moisturizes and tightens up the skin, which reduces the risk of scarring or stretching. Other ingredients like hyaluronic acid, eucalyptus, and aloe will help reduce that typical post-shave dryness as well as potential irritation. This again comes in our signature Drift scent, which smells like fresh citrus and sea salt. Now let's talk about Volt Shave Gel, also called Volt Clear Shave. And this was designed for one reason and really one reason only: to give you the most precise and slick shaving experience that you could ever ask for, and here's how we do that. We have found that using typical foam up shaving creams and shaving gels out there make it really rather difficult to get a precise shave because you cannot really see the hair underneath. It's hard to determine where your razor has already been and where your razor needs to go again. However, with a clear shaving gel, you can see every last pesky hair and get rid of it. And as you can imagine, this makes shaving and sculpting a beard a breeze. And just combine this with the natural ingredients again, like menthol, aloe gel, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and more. And this stuff is a pretty clear choice for anyone who wants a really good, easy shave out there. Not to mention my favorite thing about it, which is you can apply it to dry skin and it still glides really, really well. You don't have to wet anything first, which makes it super simple if you don't have running water or if you're out camping or anything like that. You can shave on the go pretty easily. And of course is bottled in our aluminum bottles that you can refill with large refill packs, as well as this cool little locking pump travel bottle. Now I want to talk about something I am actually super excited for, which is the Volt Grooming GoPack. Now the Volt GoPack is pretty much Volt's answer to anyone who travels or anyone who needs just a convenient way of storing their toiletries wherever they go. Let me give you just a quick demonstration why that is. Unbuckle it, grab it, and everything is open and visible to you right from the get-go. You have a clear pocket up here for anything that you may need. You have little elastic bands right here to keep your toothbrush, your tweezers, whatever else. You have these little mesh pockets that I use to keep all of the travel size Volt bottles. And you have this big clear pocket down here for anything else, whether that's cologne, whether that's hairstyling, sculpting pomade, whatever. And if you don't want to get any of this wet because maybe you don't want your cologne in the shower or anything like that, you just unhook it and take it off. Everything else can go in your shower, anything that you may need. This can go on your countertop, anywhere it'll stay dry. And as you can see up here, Volt actually has a little carabiner clip that you can use to loop around this itself and tie it around any kind of towel rack, any kind of shower curtain rod, maybe even like a tree branch if you're an avid hiker or outdoorsman like we are. And then you can go hands-free when you're showering or whether you need any of your grooming supplies. Overall, it just makes it super easy to see what you have, where it is, and so you're not having to dig in a little pouch to try and find everything. That, and when you're done with it, you just fold it up, lock it in here with the strap, and then you're good to go. It's made of heavy-duty, military-grade Cordura fabric, stuff that I actually have motorcycle pants made out of because it's very resistant to wear. So if you're on the go a lot, or let's say you just camp a lot and you need everything accessible, easy, and easy to find without having to worry about where you put your nail clippers or where you put your toothbrush or anything like that, this is what you're gonna want. And by the way, all of the travel size Volt bottles, like I was talking about earlier, fits in here perfectly. I mean, you saw all of them in those mesh pockets. And last but certainly not least, I wanna talk about kind of our signature new items that are coming out, which are the Volt Eco Refill Packs. Now I mentioned these a little bit earlier because they were so important to us when designing these products. And that's because at Volts, we are personally a group of avid outdoorsmen. We like biking, we like climbing, we like surfing, we like doing a lot of things outdoors. We're a pretty active bunch, and as such, we actively see the effect of pollution, littering, and all of that on our environment. And the Volt Refill Packs were just kind of our small, simple way of fighting this issue. In an effort to promote sustainability, we offer the refill packs and the aluminum bottles to you guys so that you don't have to contribute any more plastic bottles or any more plastic waste than absolutely necessary. That's why all of these Volt bottles are high-grade aluminum. And that's why these Volt product refill packs are made in, as you can see, aluminum pouches. For example, aluminum is about 91% recycled because there's money in doing so. Plastic, however, is so cheap to produce that it's almost cheaper to make new plastic than it is to recycle existing plastic, meaning that plastic is only recycled by about 8.7%. And considering how many tons and tons of plastic that we have produced and continue to produce, we really need to start thinking now about being more sustainable and recycling and reusing as opposed to throwing things away, especially plastic. And we decided to implement a single slogan that we encourage you guys to keep with you in your mind all the time, which is avoid the landfills, save with refills. Because we fully believe that the best way to recycle is to reuse. And we're trying to do this in a way that not only saves you guys a lot of money in terms of volume, considering that one of these refill packs can actually fill up to like 3 of those big Volt bottles. So not only do they save you money over time, but they're just a really innovative way to reduce the effect that you have on the environment for some quality men's grooming products. The refill pouches are available in the Volt beard wash, the shampoo, the body wash, and the clear shave. And there's 900 milliliters to one of those refill packs. And so you'll get multiple refills of one of those large Volt bottles just with one refill pack. And over time, that is definitely gonna save you money because you're not having to buy a brand new aluminum bottle. So that is it regarding all of the new Volt offerings that we have just released out there. Overall, we want to clarify that new Volt products are all centered around a few key things. One of which being natural ingredients, another one being sustainable and refillable packaging, using eco-friendly and wallet-friendly refill packs, and just overall convenience and unmatched quality. In fact, if you go to voltgrooming.com, you can actually get sample packs of most of the new products I mentioned for an extremely discounted cost. Overall, if you guys did make it to the end of the video, I want to say sincerely thank you for watching the whole thing. Thank you for getting to know a little bit about us here at Volt and what we stand for in terms of providing these new products to the market. Refillable things like this aren't really a huge thing right now, but we want to encourage more of that because that means that over time there's just going to be that much less plastic waste or waste in general out there in the world, as well as an indication for more care given to the environment and better products that you guys can actually save money with over time. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Let us know down in the comments which of these new products you are most curious about and whether or not you purchased a sample pack of all of them or which sample pack you purchased and how they're working for you. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.